Modesees clothing reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you discovered Modesees gum advertising trendy, affordable fashion and clicked buy, you want to stick around because most people get this wrong. Low sticker price might hide quality, service or legitimacy issues. Here's what reviews show. Modesees has mixed feedback. On Trustpilot, reviewers are split with many praising fabric and style, and many others complaining about delayed shipping or return issues. Satran Circ on Scam Advisor. The site has a very low trust score, indicating strong likelihood the website may be a scam. Site Circ. What you get when paying, attractive styles and low prices compared to branded retailers. The possibility of a deal if everything goes smoothly. What you give up, unclear shipping origin, long delivery times. Maybe returns are difficult. Some reviewers say they had to ship back to China despite a spaced fulfillment mention. Satran Circ risk of mismatch in fit, fabric or expectations and limited consumer protection. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Take the item price and compare with well-known retailers for similar quality. If price is far lower, ask, is the fabric, fit, finish comparable? Step 2. Check shipping and return policy. Where do you ship to? Who pays the cost? How long does it take? Step 3. Search for independent reviews of that specific item or site. Beware of too many perfect ratings. Step 4. Consider using payment methods with buyer protection credit card, PayPal for added safety. Most people get this wrong by assuming cheap fashion always equals good value. They forget that service, fit, returns, quality matter. The surprising truth, sometimes paying a little extra at a known retailer gives you much better long-term value, less hassle, better fit. In conclusion, if you're willing to take a risk, and the price is very tempting, Modesees might produce a good deal, but make sure you're aware of the trade-offs. If you prefer peace of mind, strong returns policy and known quality, you may find better value elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more online store pricing explained and how to spot smart purchases.